So even though the Egyptians tortured and killed the Jews for over 200 years, still the Torah tells us, do not hate the Egyptians. What? Why not hate them? Because you lived in their country, you ate from their food, you cannot hate them. Do not be ungrateful. That's awful thing, according to the Torah. As Hitler says, Hitler wrote in his book that the Jews invented human moral. That's impossible. That's inhuman to live like that, not to hate people, not to do bad things. The Jews invented them. He's partly right. Yes, we invented it, but not from ourselves. It's God. God sent us this Torah. So if it's like that about the Egyptians, that the Torah tells you do not hate them, it's more so about people next to you. To appreciate. It's not only that don't hate, it's more than that. The Torah tells you, learn how to appreciate the positive, accentuate the positive. Do not look at the negative stuff of the other person. Take your wife. You think I do so many things for her, but she doesn't give me back. I do a lot more. And of course, if we'll ask her, she will say the same. That's not the way of the Torah. The Torah tells you, appreciate. Your job is to do what? To check, what did I get from her? Not what did I give. I don't care. Maybe you gave more. It's not the issue. What did I get? Did she did something good for me? Once, twice, 10 times, 100 times when we live together? Yes, she did. You look at that and you learn how to appreciate. You need to be able to show your gratitude about what you got, not about the math. I gave more, she did less. I don't care. That's children's math. That's not the way of the Torah. Maybe it's your way. If you want to live in your way, go ahead. Let's see how it ends. That's not the way of the Torah. If you want to live the life that God promised you, good life, happy life with your wife, with your kids, with yourself, try, start to behave as the Torah teaches you. Let's start with that. Appreciate. Your wife gave you something, she made you food, she bought something, she paid the bill, I don't care. Even the smallest thing. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate. Tell her, I appreciate that you paid the electricity bill. I appreciate you took the kids from the kindergarten. Appreciate, show your appreciation. You will learn. It will teach you to be a better person, to be happier, and not to be, bitter and always complain about other people.